Welcome back to another episode of Do It the Hard Way. In the last episode, we looked into limiting the output to the number of rows selected. But as you saw, the output was a bit messy. So in this episode, we will make the output a bit more presentable. And to do that, we will need to gain access to each and every item in the list. And to accomplish that, we will need to add another loop inside the while loop. So here's how it goes. We will use the last code, enter. As you can see, that's the output we got last time. Play out of this. Let's modify the code. Do echo. So we are gonna surround the do echo, the echo with do, then done to make things easier. Done. That's where the loop starts and that's where the loop ends. And behind do, we will say for w in list dollar sign at semicolon do. It's gonna be echo, and we are going to be echoing the w. Done. All right, and the next thing we need to do here is add flags. So the first flag, n, this is going to prevent the cursor from going to the next line. And the E flag, this is going to enable us to interpret escaped characters. And in this case, the escaped character is \t, which is a tab. So let's surround that with double quotes. Let's see. And outside the inner loop, we need to echo again an empty string. So not everything is printed in the same line. So if we have done everything right, this should come out as expected. Oh, something is wrong. Okay, let's see now. Escape out of that. Let's take a look. Okay, we need to add a semicolon after the double quotes here. Enter. There you go. You have your output. And as you can see, the output is much neater than it looked previously. So we did it. And that's going to be it for this episode. On the next episode, we will be looking at something which is more, I should say, intensive. You kind of need to have some knowledge of regular expressions because that's what we're going to be using to filter what we need to be transferred to the output. So I'll be seeing you in the next one.